Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? It's JonBob. You're watching the JonBob Show. What's going on? So, right now I'm heading out. Gonna go get some coffee. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, Monday. Markets are gonna be open in an hour and a half. And I just want to share with you guys why 90% of traders suck at trading the stock market. And that's what I'm going to talk about as soon as I get this coffee in my system, get my juices running for the day. I'll see you in a sec. All right, so we're back. Got the coffee, as you can see. Yeah, so the reason I'm making this video is because I've come to the realization that most people don't know how to trade in the stock market, which is they let their emotions run their trades, okay? Now, what do I mean by this? Well, when I say you're letting your emotions run your trades is that when you buy a stock at $100, for example, say 90 bucks, right? And you look into whatever happened with the guy, with the company, whatever, and realize it's not really going to affect the bottom line. They're still going to produce whatever they're producing. They're still going to do whatever they're doing. Nothing's really going to change when it comes to the numbers, right? But everyone got so emotional. Oh my God, something happened with whatever. It's at $90. Now, guess what? Your body is telling your brain, sell, get out. When that is the exact wrong thing you need to be doing, okay? And this is what separates the great traders from. The only way you're really gonna learn is if you read a book, okay? Yeah, just read a book. But it's 2018 and nobody reads books anymore. But if you are the one person who does read a book, oh my God, now you have the knowledge. I mean, and then if you still don't trade correctly, then just get out, just stop playing the game. So the markets are down. It might be a down day. There might be some little hiccup with your company, whatever you're invested in. And obviously, if it's like a serious issue and there's serious potential to losing the bottom line risk, then maybe the best option is to get out. But most times, guess what? The markets are going to rebound. It's going to be okay. It's not the end of the world. So when it's at $90, you bought it $100. Now it's time to buy more, okay? Now it's time to buy more, okay? But your gut is gonna say, sell. So when everyone is selling at $90, because it dropped from $100, and you're the only one buying, you're gonna seem like the crazy one. But guess what? When the markets open up 2, 3, 4, 5 days later, a month later, whatever, and boom, you're at 110. Well, guess what? Everyone's buying in at 110 now. Guess who bought in at 90? Who bought in at 90? That's right, you did. But nobody wants to do that. Nobody wants to do that because they want their emotions to run all their trades. Well, they don't want their emotions to run all their trades, but guess what? Their emotions are running all their trades. So that's the reality. But yeah, so now you're asking what book is that I should be reading? Well, The Intelligent Investor, okay? Benjamin Graham, boom. He's a gangster. Warren Buffett, that's Warren Buffett's guy. Yeah, Warren Buffett, that is Warren Buffett's guy. This right here, this guy. It's a pretty big book. Take the time, read the whole thing. And another one you can read that's more up to date, I guess you could say, with the times, because this is an old book, is Unshakable by Tony Robbins. That's a great book. And then there's another one, let me Google. Okay, The Most Important Thing by Howard Marks. I've been listening to that book, and that's a great book. And all these guys talk about the same thing, which is the market does this, okay? It goes like this, okay? And then if you zoom in on that line going like that, if you zoom in to the 1 month, and then you zoom in to the week, and then you zoom in on the day, and then you zoom in on the hour, guess what? You're gonna see the stocks going like this, right? But guess what? They're going like this. They're just gonna wiggle up forever and ever and ever. Obviously, you're gonna have companies that crash along the way. Don't buy those companies. Buy the companies that are successful, have proven ways of making money, and are gonna keep making money. There's a future in that industry, in that market, whatever they're doing. Okay, so don't invest in stupid things. Invest in obviously what makes sense, okay? I mean, I'll go ahead and just start shouting out names, but Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Microsoft, those guys, you know, just those are what I call the gangsters. But the most important thing, Howard Marks, the most important thing though is don't let your emotions run the trade, bro, okay? When you buy in at all-time highs because your emotions were running the buy-in side of the trade, at least don't let your emotions run the sell side of the trade as well, because then you're just going to be buying up here, selling up here. And guess what? I'm buying here, so you're selling your shares to me for a discount, and then I'm selling my shares that you sold me back to you when they're at all-time highs. Because guess what? When it's at all-time highs, your brain is saying, oh my God, what if it keeps going up? We're going to miss out on all this money. We're going to miss out on all this money. And then guess what? You're going to buy when it's really high. And then guess what? It's going to pull back a little bit, take a little breather, and you're going to sell it because you're going to be looking at the next stock that's going off. So don't do that, okay? Go against the grain of your emotions, and it is so hard. It took me a whole year of trading to finally realize this and to succumb to this knowledge. And, you know, that was before this book, The Intelligent Investor. That was before Unshakable by Tony Robbins and the most important thing I'm just now reading. It's super, super important to just go against your emotions. Just go against your emotions, okay? But your emotions are going to tell you the other way. And that's the other thing, is that even when you win, you lose. You see, even when you win, you lose. So let's say you buy a stock and you sell it and make a profit. You won. You won. That's the game. You won. You won. You made money doing nothing. You made money by putting your money somewhere, and it turned into more money. You won, right? But guess what? You bought at 100, boom, goes to 120. You sold out at 120. You're happy, you're feeling good. But guess what? 1 minute after you sold it, you look back at the stock. Oh my God, it's at 122. Oh my God, 123, 124. And then you're like, oh shit, damn, I missed that. Dang, I missed that. So you're still lost. In your head, you still lost. Even when you win, you lose. And when you lose, you lose. So is when you sell at 120, don't look at the stock for the rest of the day. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Look at the ones that are down. Always be looking at the down ones, okay? Whoever is down, that's what you need to be paying attention to. You always need to be looking forward to the next trade. Always looking forward to the next trade. As soon as you sell and you made your money, you're done. Don't worry about it. Don't look at it. Emotions will start running. Your emotions are going to start going. You're going to see it. 124. Oh, it's 125. 126. Oh, boom. You're buying in at 126 now. And then it pulls back to 118, 115. And then guess what? Now you're like, oh, now you're even more mad. And then it just perpetuates this just nasty cycle of awful trades. When you sell, you make the profit, look at the down guys. Look at your gangsters who aren't doing good that day. Look at the gangsters who are down. What I mean by gangsters, whatever group of stocks that you favor, And when they're down, you take your profits from the one that was up, boom, slide them in the one that was down. And then boom, little bit time goes by, those ones are up, and then you see, oh, this one's down over here. What can I sell to be able to buy that one, to have buying power for that? Oh, that's right. I bought Apple back there, now it's up here. I could sell that. Boom. Now I go buy this over here. You're watching the JonBob Show. I'm JonBob. This is not financial advice. I'm just some idiot on the internet with a camera. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.